It is 6 in the morning and I woke up pretty early today because it's going to be a long, long, beautiful day. आज महाशिवरात्रि है and it's also my fast today. It is 6:20. मुझे उठना तो था 5:30 बजे but कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा सा लेट होना तो चलता है. मतलब I think we're still on time. बाहर अभी भी अंधेरा हो रखा है and I am going to go take a shower क्योंकि मुझे 7 बजे कैंप के मंदिर में जाना है. I'll quickly flip the camera and show you outside कि ठंड अभी गई नहीं है क्योंकि अभी भी it's all dark. ठंड हो रही है बाहर. I hope you can hear मंदिर की घंटी. Let me quickly go take a shower. For my outfit, I'm wearing a very, very flowy, breezy kurti. It's a new piece of fabric. I haven't worn it before. Yeah, without wasting any more time, let me quickly go and take a shower and then come back and show you how I look. I am finally out of the shower. This is what my dress looks like. थोड़ी देर में आपको पूरी आउटफिट दिखाऊंगी. बट ऑलमोस्ट 1 साल के बाद मुझे लगता है लास्ट शिवरात्रि पे ही या फिर आई थिंक इन some of the travels between मैं इतनी जल्दी उठी हूँ for a shower. But trust me, it feels so good when you complete, cleaning yourself the first thing in the morning. I'll quickly get ready. मेरे बाल भी थोड़े से बड़े भी हो गए हैं, थोड़े से गीले भी हैं. So let me quickly get ready and then show you how my entire outfit looks like. So I am all ready. मुझे फ़िलहाल अपने घर के मंदिर में पूजा करनी है. So we are going to do that. It is almost done. हाँ भैया. हाँ इसमें चल जाएगा. It was almost 7:10 by the time I reached the मंदिर और काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोग आ चुके थे. You might feel the camera being a little unstable and shaking and this and that because I had to give it to someone to shoot the video and just tell them कि please take a couple of shots for my YouTube. तो काफ़ी unstable है but yeah, all in all it was a very good time. I had to wait for a while because the Pandit ji was to assist me to do the puja.
भी अच्छा दर्शन हो जाएगा तुम्हारा.
It is 8:30 in the morning and I got back an hour ago from the puja and I completely forgot to film. But yeah, I'm having some fruit right now. I had some apples and now I'm having some papita. Also, I have a really long day today. Why long? Because अभी तक मैं उतना बाहर निकल नहीं रही थी और एक दिन में सारा काम था नहीं. आज मेरा फास्ट भी है. I also have a podcast today. I also have to go to main city Bhopal to run some errands. So it's going to be a pretty packed day, but I think now I'm going to go maybe take a small nap because I feel super tired. I slept really late the last night. So I'm going to just take a nap. I have to leave at 12 in the afternoon. I'll wake up an hour ago. Okay, so before I change, this is what my kurti, my dress, whatever you call this, it looks like. It's very flowy, very breezy. बहुत ही ज़्यादा soft कपड़ा है and I love the silhouette. I really love this silhouette. चलो मैं सोने जा रही हूँ. It's 1 in the afternoon and I re-woke up like 20 minutes ago and I'm good on energy. आज मैंने अपने काम से भी ऑफ लिया हुआ था because of course इतनी एनर्जी मुझे पता था मेरे में नहीं होने वाली है that I'll sit and I'll work for hours. So I am supposed to leave by 2 p.m. for main Bhopal and that's what I'm having for my lunch. Lunch तो क्या ही कहेंगे but yeah. Again, there are some chura fruits, some papaya, some apples, and a glass of nice and fresh orange juice. I did not even realize and the mic went mute. So at this point I was talking about why have all of us turned out to be so nonchalant in nature. हम express क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं या अगर हम express कर रहे हैं तो लोग हमें cringe क्यों बोल रहे हैं. Since when did we start taking so much of pride in not expressing our feelings, not showing our happiness, not crying when we are sad, only to realize that this is a sign of depth. Trust me, it's not. It is not. Someone who keeps all of these emotions back in themselves is just too hollow from within, guys. So I was thinking about it and kind of got stuck with me because I happen to be someone who would want to express a lot of things, but then I don't because it has subconsciously been grained in all of us that expressing is cringe. But anyways, this is what I'm gonna wear for my outfit. It's a very nice skirt and this one is a shirt. I really love the color palette, so let me get into this and show it to you. I am done changing this shirt finally. उस shirt में बिल्कुल भी iron नहीं था and it was looking really shabby. So I'm wearing this which is more like me and I love it. 10 मिनट है अभी मुझे निकलने में. मुझे 2 बजे निकलना है. So I have meanwhile also packed my bag and yeah, we are done. So keeping a spare water bottle and some fruits because you never know. After a lot of struggle, I'm finally at the studio. We are almost 2 hours late. क्योंकि ड्राइवर भैया ने मिस अप कर दिया था लोकेशन. I don't know if you can hear me or not. A lot of noise in the background. Hello, hi, this is Vanshika from Signed Up with Z. Hi Vanshika.
Hello.
I keep forgetting your name. I keep
Vanshika.
calling you Vaishnavi.
Yeah, it's Vanshika. Signed off with V.
We just finished the podcast here. It was a really, really nice time. Lovely studio.
So do I have to sit or what?
No.
Okay. So thumbnail is done.
Right.
It's
I
Valentine's.
chocolate. That's my Valentine gift. You know, I haven't received anything on Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's Day. Same to you. Thank you so much, Vanshika. And also, because you love sarees, I couldn't get you a saree, but there's
Why?
this
I'm
skirt.
really sad.
Because I love seeing you dressed up, so this is something you love this
That's
skirt.
so sweet. Yeah, I feel so bad. I couldn't get anything for
अरे,
you.
that-
Late भी हो गई
कोई
है.
बात नहीं. So I gift all my guests because you guys come in a very short notice and everything. So this is
That's like a
very
nice. It's like a nice bride today. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Hi.
And I'll be needing a shot for something.
नहीं, ऐसा लग रहा है मैं दे रही हूँ.
हाँ भाई.
So you hold it. So you give it. I got my first Valentine's gift of this season. I was crying as in feeling sad about Valentine's. I was
Is it
going, yeah, I was going ahead telling it to everybody कि क्या है, it was just a facade, it's just stupid expenditure of money, and then until you receive it, until you receive it, it's good. So the podcast is done. I've been spoiled like anything by Vanshika. My Valentine is definitely made, and now I'm heading towards DB Mall because I've got to pick some items up. And yeah, my auto is here. Let's go. फाउंडेशन लगा आपको मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा, ये ड्राई तो नहीं हो जाएगा? कंफ्यूजिंग काम है ना. मुझे ना बिल्कुल ऐसा पैची भी नहीं चाहिए, हल्का क्रीम बेस पे ही चाहिए.